Welcome to Page. Let's take a tour around our beautiful school, the home of our penguins. And did you know that our Page family of little penguins doubled 3 years ago? Now we have about 600 little penguins. And of course, wear your masks. Our main goal for Spanish Immersion is for all students to gain proficiency by 5th grade and move on to more advanced Spanish in middle school and high school. Our program continues to grow. K through 3rd has 2 classes per each grade level. 4th and 5th have only 1, but our goal is to continue to grow. 4th grade receives English writing in English for the 90 minutes of the week in the 2nd semester. And 5th grade receives writing in English for the entire year.
Welcome to William Tyler Page Elementary School. Beginning with the 2018-2019 school year, we began offering a full Spanish immersion program. In this video, we will show a typical day in a kinder to 3rd grade full immersion classroom. We will demonstrate the types of learning, rigor, and outcomes that new immersion students can expect.
Y ustedes van a escribir lo que escuchan. Y luego entonces Macy le va a enseñar la tarjeta. Y si tienen la tarjeta correcta, se corrían, ¿ok? Comenzamos.
The word is le.
The Spanish immersion program at Page Elementary uses the MCPS curriculum. Every day, students are taught literacy, math, writing, and science or social studies in Spanish. They will also have either art, physical education, music, or media one day each week, which is taught in English. School-wide, all Page students enjoy celebratory town hall meetings, principals' pancake breakfasts, cultural arts assemblies, Earth Day, Hispanic Heritage, and Black History Month celebrations. All Page students are welcome to join after-school community clubs and in-school clubs such as the Mesa, STEAM Club, and the Green Team. In kindergarten, students begin the year learning daily routines. They sing songs in Spanish to teach colors, numbers, days of the week, and more. Students practice conversation with peers and work on new vocabulary. Kindergarten students will be able to understand and mix Spanish vocabulary into their English sentences.
¿Qué dice tired en español? Cansado o cansada, si es una niña.
In 1st grade, students continue to develop fluency in reading Spanish. They excel at both independent and group work to learn new skills. Students also use technology to supplement learning and practice grammar and math. 1st grade students have improved in their listening and speaking skills. They are able to understand the lessons in Spanish and can answer in the target language. They can also speak complete sentences in Spanish.
Yo quiero escucharte de nuevo. La palabra kiosco. Dos palabras. Tiene dos.
In second grade, students are learning in the target language in math and developing skills in writing and reading comprehension. Students are able to have a conversation with peers and participate in class discussions in Spanish.
¿Qué otra información tengo, Deshaun? En Forest Glen, ¿cuántos pasajeros se van del tren? ¿Cuántos pasajeros se van del tren? 9, muy bien.
En los comienzos de los años 1900 y 1800, las casas coloniales eran construidas de maderas.
By third grade, students are working on analyzing texts, comparing and contrasting, storytelling, and writing fluently. Students are very comfortable responding in Spanish and explaining thoughts with details. Here are two of our third graders, Emma and Shivan.
Comenzamos en leer vocabulario, escribir más y más. Y me gusta.
Estaba bien, yo estaba hablando con mis amigos en español en la clase y en recess un poquito, pero yo estaba feliz porque yo estaba.
¿Por qué te sentías feliz?
Porque yo estaba aprendiendo mucho.
Most of our students that come into our program in kindergarten are reading both English and Spanish on grade level by grade 3.